Hi beautiful people, welcome back to another video. In today's video we'll be making peppered chicken. Trust me, this recipe never goes wrong. So let's get right into it. After rinsing my chicken thoroughly with clean water and salt, I'm just steaming it. I don't boil it directly with water yet. I allow it boil with its own juice or water. So this is me adding spices, thyme, curry, a bit of rosemary and seasoning cubes and little salt. So I'm just going to stir and let that mix properly so I can allow it to cook. Keep stirring until it's properly mixed, then allow to cook in its own juice. This is after some minutes. You can see that the juice is coming out, or the water rather, the stock is coming out, and it's already cooking the meat. I didn't bother to add more water again because the meat is getting cooked and there's still water in the pot, and that's it. I didn't bother to add more water again, but if you feel like adding more water, probably you need more stock, then you can add. So in another pan, heat up your vegetable oil, then pour in the chicken and let it fry to crisp while you prep your pepper and other spices. Well, for the pepper mixture, I blended fresh pepper, onion and garlic. Fry until it's brown and crispy. Then you take out the chicken from the oil and begin frying your pepper mix. Take out the oil from the pan and remove the particles, then pour in a bit of the oil. At this point I added a bit of curry because I want the flavor to be all over. And after that I added the pepper mix and a sachet of tomato paste just to give it more color. Then fry it. And after frying for some minutes, I added a bit of salt and one seasoning cube to balance the taste. We already have our chicken well cooked with seasonings and spices. Then I went in with the fried chicken and I'm stirring everything together. I love how the pepper mix took over the whole chicken. That way the pepper will get into the chicken properly. I fried for a few more minutes and garnished with veggies and served. This tasted so good, and you can choose to have this alone or you can have it with rice and any other thing. Thank you guys for watching. Bye guys.